Hello, in this video I want to show you how to assign functions to quick switch on Gigabyte monitor. To do this, first you will need to press on the button on the back right side of your screen, move up to the settings, then scroll down to the system. Inside you will find the quick switch, and then there's actions like up, down, right and left. So for example, I want to assign the volume to my up quick switch. Now how it works, we need to leave our OSD and then just move up with that joystick on the back, and here it will perform this quick switch action. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.